Let's recover or restore permanently deleted Google account. Here you can use any Google application or your web browser. Right now I will use my original Google application. After opening, go to search bar, then type and search recover deleted Google or Gmail account. Here select the very first search result, then it will be open in another new window. Here just tap this blue color link called follow the step to recover your account. Now in this recovery page, enter the email ID, then you will get this account deleted message and it is recoverable. So go forward, then you have to re-enter your password or passkey. Then you can recover your account like this. Now you just cancel your account from deletion. Then you can add your account to this device. So open any Google application and tap the profile icon, then just select add another account option. Now enter your new account email ID like this. Then you can enter your password or passkey. Then you can successfully add your account and you can use this account from this device. But using this method, if you couldn't recover your account, you have to watch the full recovery tutorial. In that tutorial, I have shown you different ways to recover your account. To watch that video, click this end screen video or find the video links in the description. See you in the next one. Later!